He is the owner of the transport company. Owns a fleet of taxi. Okay, it's a fleet of taxi. Number of taxis, 15. So how much is the count of the taxi? 15 taxis we have. Cost of each taxi, 2,50,000 rupees. Obviously, this information is there for calculating either interest or calculating depreciation. That is why they give you this information. Okay. Next, salary to office staff. So this is going to be obviously fixed cost as per CAS 5. So salary to office staff. I'm putting fixed cost in green. Okay. Fixed cost. Salary to cleaner. Cleaner salary as per CAS 5 is variable. So for variable, I'm using this color, blue. Okay. Salary to mechanic, variable, obviously. Okay. Then salary to driver, again, variable cost as per CAS 5. Okay. Yeah. Next, garage rent. As per CAS 5, it is obviously fixed cost. Next, taxes, fixed cost, and see the information. Per annum, per taxi, for one taxi. Then annual repairs. Repairs is variable cost in CAS 5. So annual repairs, 2,400 per taxi. Next, insurance, fixed cost, 5% per annum on the cost of each taxi. Now here, these informations are very important. I'll tell you why. There is a reason behind it. Then next info they have given is yeah, life of the taxi is 2 lakh kilometers. Okay. Can anybody tell me why is this information given? How is this information useful to us in this question? So it's already 5 minutes up. So I am locking the meeting room. Okay. Anyone? Post it in the chat box. Why life of taxi is about 2 lakh kilometers. How will this information help? How will this information help? Anyone? This information will help you to calculate what? Post in the chat box. Okay, fine. Good. It will help you to calculate depreciation. Yeah, Shreya? You're correct. So this information will help us to calculate depreciation. Okay, this information will give us depreciation. And in this sum, since life of the asset is given in kilometers, that is why in this question, depreciation is going to be a fixed cost. Sorry. I'm sorry, not fixed, variable. I'm so sorry. Depreciation is going to be a variable cost. Okay? So don't forget this. Clear to here? Next highlight of the question is a taxi. A taxi means one taxi. I repeat, a taxi means one taxi. Runs 3,000 kilometers in a month. Okay, so this information indicates running kilometers. Please note it down. This information indicates running kilometers. A few students' videos are off. Switch on your videos. Switch on your videos. The video has to be on. Okay, taxi runs 3,000 kilometers in a month, right? Of which 20% it runs empty. Now this is something new we are doing. This one. This is new. Okay, 20% of which runs empty. Okay, now students, there is a concept of right now, working note number one, running kilometers. How much? 3,000 kilometers, and this is given in the question. Okay, you don't have to calculate, that's fine. Next, this information, 20% of it runs empty, will help you to calculate. Right now, working note number two. Now, this is a new concept we are learning. Effective kilometers. Effective kilometers. It means running kilometers less 20%. It runs empty. Okay, percentage of empty run. 23,000 the running kilometers minus percentage of empty run. Okay, so 3,000 kilometers less 20%. So 3,000 for 20% minus 600. So 3,000 minus 600 is 2,400 effective kilometers. Effective kilometers. Clear? Now students, don't forget तुम्हारा जो वेरिएबल कॉस्ट है वो इस पे कैलकुलेट होगा. Your variable cost is calculated on running kilometers, not effective kilometers. Okay. Reason, what is the logic behind it? Because in effective kilometers, what is happening? You are subtracting this element, right? 20%, what are they saying? क्या बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? ये 20% it runs empty. Okay? It is saying 20% it runs empty. Now just remember one thing. I'll just give an example. Say while going the vehicle is fully loaded. Okay, while going the vehicle is fully loaded, मतलब भर के जा रहा है. And while coming in the return journey, the vehicle is not fully loaded. It is only 20%. It is say 80% or 70% loaded. So what do you think? तुम्हारा जो पेट्रोल है, are you going to say कि भाई 20% कम लोग इसमें बैठे थे, इसके लिए depreciation या आपका जो रनिंग किलोमीटर्स है, आपका जो पेट्रोल है वो 2,400 पे कैलकुलेट होगा? नो, गाड़ी तो 3,000 किलोमीटर चली है, तो पेट्रोल भी 3,000 किलोमीटर ही लगा है. Are you understanding? So your variable cost will be calculated on 3,000, not on 2,400. Am I clear? But for the purpose of calculating the overall total operating cost, there you will consider 2,400. Am I clear about this? So you will calculate on this 3 and not on 2,400 your variable cost. Remember, this is the highlight of the question. Okay? So that's it. Now, पूछा क्या है और क्या पूछा है? पेट्रोल. Petrol is also there. So petrol consumption. So obviously it's a variable cost. For 1 liter, 8 kilometers. At the rate 15% per liter, 15 rupees per liter. So 1 liter पेट्रोल डाला तो गाड़ी 8 kilometers चलेगा. Clear? Oil and sundry expenses variable. Okay? And the ratio is also given. 100 kilometers ka you're paying 25 rupees. Okay. Next, calculate cost per taxi. See this. Calculate cost of running a taxi, one taxi come to cost share. Remember students, they want cost of only one taxi. Information is given about 15 taxis, but we will have to convert all informations into one taxi. Clear? So this is the highlight of the sum. This is the uniqueness in the sum. Rest अभी तक हमने जितने भी sum किए हैं, they ask you on the total vehicle. Say there are 5 vehicles, 15 vehicles, so they ask you on the total. But this question clearly specifies that it should be on which basis? It should be on one taxi basis. Am I clear to everyone? Okay, and see, they have said it should be calculated on effective kilometers. Okay, prepare this question. Monthly operating cost of Mr. Amit, CAS 5. Prepare this one taxi. This is the highlight of the sum. Monthly operating cost sheet of Mr. Amit, CAS 5, and do highlight one taxi. Okay? Particulars column, amount column, and the last one, cost per kilometer. It's a simple cost unit, right? The kilometers which have cost per kilometer which will be effective. So effective kilometers is 2,400, not 3,000. Remember that, not 3,000. Jot down these: fixed cost, office staff salary, garage rent, tax, insurance. Okay, so start. I'll repeat once again, you have to calculate information for one taxi and that also monthly. So any information which is yearly, you will convert it into monthly. Any information which is 15 taxis, you will convert it into one taxi. Don't forget that. Okay, so let us start first with office staff. Okay. Which is salary to office staff, 6,000 per month. Okay. 6,000 per month. So it is monthly. So I will not divide, but I will have to divide it with 15 taxes because my information has to be only of 15 taxes. Next, garage rent. $3,500 per month. 3,500 is monthly, so don't divide it with 12, but we'll have to divide it with 15 taxes. Okay, next, taxes. Taxes 4,800 per annum per tax. Okay, so 4,800 is per annum. Now this I'll have to convert into 1 month. So divide it with 12 months. And don't divide it with 15 because it is a one tax. Next, insurance. Insurance, 5% per annum on cost of taxi. Okay, cost of each taxi. So cost of taxi is 2,50,000. So let us calculate 2,50,000 of 5%, and this is per annum. So this I will have to divide with 12 months. Here, okay, and don't divide it with 15 because this 2,50,000 is of one taxi, cost of one taxi. So now let us do the calculate by 15. 6,000 divided by 15. So the answer is 400. So right here, 400. Next. Okay, very good. One student has calculated also. 3,500 divided by 15. Okay. Rounded off our students, make it 233. Round off 30. Next, 4,800 divided by 12 months. So it is 400. Next, okay, 250 into 5%. So 5 divided by 100 divided by 12. So the answer is 1041.6. Round off to 1042. 1042. Okay. Anything else? No. Now directly total of fixed cost. Okay. Total of fixed cost. So 1042 plus 400 plus 233 plus 400. So the answer is 2075. 2075. Okay. 2075. Next. So that's my total fixed cost. Next come to variable cost. So this is a bifurcation of variable cost. Salary of cleaner, mechanic, driver, then repairs and maintenance, depreciation, petrol and oil. Okay, so let us first calculate salary of the cleaner. So let's see, cleaner. Salary of cleaner is 2,000 per month. Okay, yeah. So 2,000 per month. So don't divide it with 12. It is monthly information, but you'll have to divide it with 15 tax. Because the information given is of 15 taxes. Next, mechanic. 2,500 per month. Okay. Same logic. 2,500 per month divided by 15 taxes. Driver, 3,000 per month divided by 15 taxes. Okay, clear. Then next, repairs. Okay, let us calculate also this and keep it ready. Okay, 2,000 divided by 15. 133. Just round it off. Just round it off. 133. Next, 2,500 divided by 15. 166.6. Make it 167. 167. Next, 3,000 divided by 15. It's 200. Okay. Next, repairs. How much is repairs? Let us check. The driver is done. Annual repairs 2,400 per taxi. Repairs 2,400. It is per annum. So this I will have to convert it into month for 12 months. And don't divide it with 15 because it is already for taxi. 2,400 divided by 12 makes it obviously 200. Next, depreciation. Okay, depreciation. Depreciation is not given, but we can calculate. by using the formula. Okay, start working with number 3. Right. Depreciation. So here, depreciation is equal to cost of the asset minus scrap value divided by life of asset in kilometers. Okay, substitute the value. 2,50,000 is the cost. That value is not there in the question, so 0 divided by what is the life of the asset? It's given 2 lakh kilometers. So right here, 2 lakh kilometers. Okay, divide 2,50,000 divided by 2 lakhs. So it is 1 rupee 25 paise per kilometer. Okay, and now do the calculation. Kilometers and rupees. Okay, so for 1 kilometer it is 1.25 rupees. So for 3,000 kilometers, how much? Okay, you will not calculate on 2,400 students, you will calculate on 3,000 running kilometers. The variable cost is not calculated on effective kilometer, it is always calculated on running kilometers. Right? Cost multiply. The answer is 3750. Okay, so this is the answer for depreciation. 3750. My video, depreciation, working with number 3. 3750. Next, petrol. Next working note is for petrol. Working note number 4. Petrol. Let us see what information is given about petrol. Okay. Petrol consumption is 1 liter for every 8 kilometers at the rate rupees 15 per liter. So, liter, kilometer, and rupees. So, for 1 liter petrol, my vehicle runs 8 kilometers and I am paying 15 rupees. Okay, so for 3,000 running kilometers, how much? Okay, not 2,400, 3,000. First multiply 3,000 into 15 divided by 8. 5625. 5625. Okay, my video. Working with number 4. Answer is 562. Okay, next, oil. Oil expenses are 25 rupees per 100 kilometers. Right? So, do it here. Working with number 5. Oil. Okay. Same base, kilometers and rupees. 25, sorry, 100 kilometers का you're paying 25 rupees. So for 3000 running kilometers, how much? Cross multiply. 3000 into 25 divided by 100. So my answer is 750. Okay, here to here. So right here, working with number 5, 750. Okay, so students, yeah, start giving your attendance in the chat box. Start giving your attendance. And total your variable cost. 133 plus 167 plus 200 plus again 200 plus 3750 plus 5625 plus 750. So the answer is 10,825. Okay, and then total your operating cost. Total cost and total operating cost is one and the same, A plus B. So 10,825 plus my fixed cost, 2075. So my answer is 12,900. Right here, 12,900. Okay, and there is no profit in the sum. दिया ही नहीं है. There is no profit percentage given. There is no, so I cannot calculate my revenue. Okay, so no profit percentage, so no revenue. Fine. Let us calculate the CPU column. Okay. Now, your important is you're going to calculate on 2,400. Clear, no? Not 3,000. Yeah. Only for running kilometers you will take three. Matlab for variable cost you will take 3,000 running kilometers. Otherwise, they have told you calculate cost per effective kilometer, and effective kilometer is not 3,000. It is 2,400. So 2075 divided by 2,400. So the answer is 0.864. Okay, 0.86. Next, 10,825 divided by 2,400. 4.51. And next, 12,900 divided by 2,400. 5.375. You can make it 38. 5.38. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the final answer for which you will get 15 marks. Okay, so this is nothing but cost per effective kilometer. 5 rupees 38 paisa. Am I clear about this? Any doubts? Any doubt to anyone? You can ask, post it in the chat box. Post it in the chat box if you have a doubt. Everyone clear about this? If you all want to see the working notes again, I am zooming it. Okay? Yeah. See your working note. Working note number 1, running kilometers. 2, effective kilometers. 3 was depreciation. And then 4 and 5. Okay? You can have a look. This sum is clear to everyone. Any doubts? Post it in the chat box if it is clear. Okay, fine. Okay, this was the working note, and this is the answer. Fine, students. So I'm using this OneNote. I solve sums on OneNote. So it's like a book. You can see if you click into the screen, my screen looks like a notebook only, the way you people write. Okay. So later on, once the whole chapter is done, I will be sending this whole solved sums to you. Okay. In case if someday you missed your lecture, so you can have it for reference. And last column for shortcut. Okay, fine. Yeah. आज अपने पास time है, but I cannot do it on my calci. So you will have to use your calci because for that the calci which I use is not appropriate because this is the system built calci which I am using, right? And you all are using citizen or cashier. Right? I'll tell you the shortcut. So I'm writing the shortcut on the screen to just copy it down, the shortcut. Okay. So what is the shortcut? I am writing it. Okay, look here. 2075. Now every time the denominator is going to be 2400. Correct? Yeah. See, 2075 divided with 2400. 10,825 divided with 2400. 12,900 divided with 2400. राइट तो घड़ी घड़ी क्या होता है अपने को डिनोमिनेटर टाइप करना पड़ता है वी हैव टू टाइप 2075 डिवाइड बाय 2400 ऑल दैट so to avoid that, what you can do is we know the denominator is same. Throughout the denominator is same. So what you do on calci is type, yeah, type whatever I'm saying. Type on calci 1 upon 2400. This is my denominator, 2400. So type on calci 1 divided by 2400. Press the equal to sign. Press the equal to sign. And then press the multiplication sign 2 times. I repeat, press the equal to sign and then press the multiplication sign 2 times. And then just type, 2075 on calci and press equal to. Just type 2075 on calci and press equal to. Okay, so you will get this answer 0.86. Okay, next, now don't touch any button. Next type 10,825 and press equal to. Next type 10,825 and press equal to. You will get this answer 4.51. Okay. Then type 12,900 and press equal to. You will get this answer 5.38. Okay. So what is happening here? मुझे घड़ी घड़ी रीटाइप नहीं करना पड़ रहा है समझ में आया ना आई डोंट हैव टू रीटाइप अगेन एंड अगेन so this way you can do it for n number of figures. Okay, you should just know the base. The base has to be common. So the common base is 1 upon 2400. Okay, is this clear? Okay, the next lecture obviously we'll be practicing. Is the shortcut clear? The next lecture we will practice the shortcut. Okay, I will try to see in an app where I also can do the same. Okay, practice your other sums with this shortcut method. See, you will get the same answer. It will save your time. Fine? Am I clear about it? Okay. So next lecture, a new sum.